They sent someone out to recruit you for the boys. So I put my name down and come up to Western Australia. In year 65, when we started to build a railway from Dampier to Tom Price. Well, when you arrive, there's like, they're all Torres Strait, they're all happy to each other. And when you start first day of work, that's the first time you get the hit of the Pilbara. Hot, your body just white with salt, clothes just thick, like starch. It's very hot at the first time. It's easier to complete the track, to finish the work. You all join like one big family on the track.
Okay, boys, that's it. Time for a break.
They say your mates, you all enjoy yourself after work. You're going to have a few drinks, a few talks, and that's it. Next day, do the same thing. It's getting hotter, but you're still there, do your job. You got all Yugoslavia, all country up here when you do contract like this. So everybody enjoy themselves. You meet friends, drink together. Any stranger, that's all. We drink together, make friends, no trouble. Well, it's a long way from home. But once you get a job and something like this, because when you go back home, you can't get a job like this. Yeah, I'll stay here because, I was young and wild. But now when I realize it's too late, with the family and everything. I should have gone before those kids getting bigger, but got a job, so I'll have to stay with the job to support them.